Hello friends, today we learn how to repair dead bike battery within 2 minutes. You can see this time battery show us round about 4.5 volts. Now remove all battery caps. Now take battery acid and half battery fill with the help of syringe. Like this. Now take distal water and remaining half area fill with this water. Now take battery charger and charge it for 2 hours. If you want to make this charger, so see link in description. Project is ready for your test. After charging battery show us 11.47 volt and 15.5 ampere. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.